All right, Miss Shockley, what you'll need to do is log into our Canvas site, which is ecsdfl.instructure.com. And then from there, we want to get logged in, our username and password. Then it's going to bring you to your dashboard where you have all your different courses. Yours won't look like this. I have lots of courses in mine, but you're going to want to look for the Resume Workshop course. We're going to click on the Resume Workshop, and then from here, this is set as your main page, and I'm just going to hit edit. Now it's just like a Word document. I can go and edit the fonts and put the images in and change the text, whatever I want to do here. And then once I'm done and made the changes I want to make, I just hit save, and then there it is. If you want to try some different pages, we'll go to pages, we'll leave that, and you can add pages, but I'm going to go to view all pages first. And then I can add new pages where I can make some different templates. I've got a couple different options here I was trying out when I was playing around with it and then publishing it. And then what you want to do, since this is the first page here, what we're going to want to do is right click and say use as front page. And that's only if you create a brand new page and want that to be the page that people go to when they click on the link. But for now, click on home. This is the way it's set. Go to edit. Pops up like Microsoft Word for the most part, and you can add images, background colors, change the fonts, change the text, add links to other sites, external links or internal links, or same thing with uploading images, same thing with media, and then documents right here. You can embed stuff from YouTube here as well. Everything else is pretty much the same as Microsoft Word for the most part. But the idea is for you to get in here, maybe make a new page and just play around with it. Or come in here and make some adjustments and some edits to this page if you want. Just let me know if you need any help with it. I'll be glad to help you.